Hey guys, it is Glam Game Rebecca, and in today's video I am unboxing 3 different Colourpop cosmetic purchases. So I have one box here that is the Haunted Mansion collection. I have this collection here that was actually part of a mystery box that I had bought that I legit only got like 2 items in, and then this was the initial mystery box that I got that legit only had the 2 items in it. So if you guys want to see this, then keep watching. I do only have a few minutes before I have to run back to work, so if a timer goes off, that tells me that I need to shut up. So the first box that I got had 2 of these little Soul Body blending sponges in it. Well, actually this box had one, the other box had the other. I am selling both of these because I have no need for a body sponge. I actually bought a kabuki to use the body oils with so that I could just drip the oil on and then use the kabuki on it, because I don't want the sponge soaking up the product. So I'm selling this. These retail for like $7. I then ended up getting a Play It Jewel, which, where's mine? The Play It Jewel is like the new palette to what the So Jaded was. So I'm going to show you the So Jaded. This is the So Jaded palette. And then the Play It Jewel is kind of like a remake of it because they discontinued the Kathleen Lights one, so that way you can see them like side by side. So they are kind of similar. They have similar shades, but they're not exact. So this is the Play It Jewel palette. I already have it. So in the mystery box, it came with one. So the initial box that I had the Soul Body blending sponge in this and 1 lip oil. I ordered a trio pack of the lip oils, and I legit only got 3 items in a box that should have had like 10. So I reached out to Colourpop and I said, first of all, my box was supposed to have a trio pack of lip oils. I got 1 of the 3, and this one here is kind of dorked up because it had, like, the wand was like completely bent in half. It was super weird. But I also had picked up like these 2 products. This is the Radiate Vitamin C Serum that I use like every morning. I use like 6 drops every morning on my face. This one here I don't like. This is the Do-Over Hydrating Serum Stick. It smells like cucumber, and I understand cucumber is supposed to be really good for your skin. I don't like it. It makes my face break out, makes my skin burn, so my face hates it. So these are the other 2 items that I got in this box. And this was the Luxe lip oil that I kept. It's called Cherry Bite. It's actually over there. So this was the oil, and this was supposed to have the Secret Stash, the Do-Over, the Radiate Vitamin C, and the Make It Luxe lip oil bundle. And I literally got this. This is all I got. So I reached out, I let them know what happened, and I do like to reuse like all of these things. I like to reuse this stuff too when I'm packing orders. So if you ever buy anything from me and you notice that I'm like reusing like these kind of like continuous bubble wrapper things, that's why. Because I try and reuse as much of this stuff as possible. So these items are already listed on my website and Poshmark for sale. I do not have them up on Mercari yet because I just got access back to that. And of course, I've already been using the other products because I've had this, does it say when I did this? This was from July. So then they shipped me the actual mystery box and my lip oils again, which I told them I already had the one, but they replaced all 3 of them again. So I have the Cherry Bite, Fresh Peach, and Raspberry Mojito. This formula is not as good as the other one that I had with the like, I don't remember. I'll have to find what the other lip oil was that I got, but it was a frosty looking one, and I really like the consistency of it. These are like super kind of thick and gloopy. This one's got like, got a very strange like color to it. It's like hot pink right here, but it's like peach everywhere else. That's very strange. It's the first time I've opened this. So I don't need all of these now. You know, I've got the one lip oil, and I don't like this formula. I liked the other formula that came from the Aurora. The Aurora collection is the one I'm talking about. I really enjoyed that one, and I really would like to get that one again. So I'm going to go ahead and sell these because I don't like them. Then in here, wait, did I? Oh, good, it's in here. This is the So Glossy Lip Stain from the Fresh Kiss in the shade Sugar Snap. I have used this. I thought this would be like a nice neutral color. It comes off super orange on my lips. I don't like it, but I've already used it, so I have to keep it. So there's that. Then we have a couple of different like gel liners and stuff in here. These are colors I don't have. So we have, this one's in Wildcat, so I'm going to keep that. This one is in Overboard. It's like a coppery, kind of like bronzy color. Then we have this one here, which is their shadow stick in the shade Soft Glaze. It's like a plummy metallic color. So that's super pretty, and I've already used that, so there's that. And then it had these face crystals in it, which just says crystal face jewels. They're like iridescent colored, so I really like those. Then we have 3 other lip products, which I'm getting rid of all of them. So we have Newport So Glossy. It's another one of those like yellowy brown shades. I don't care for this, so I'm definitely going to be getting rid of this one because I don't like this color. It doesn't look good on me. Then we have this one here in Honey Pie. This is a liquid lipstick, but all of these are browns. This one's more like a reddish color brown, but I don't like it, so I'm not going to use it. And I mean, it was a mystery box, so I didn't know what I was getting. But I did get a couple of products that I had never tried before, so I was kind of excited about that. And then this is the other one. This is more of a orangey brown. So I don't wear shades like this. I certainly don't wear warm undertone browns. And then I got a Super Shock highlighter. This is in Windmill. Wait a minute. There's my timer. It's time for me to log into work. Siri, stop timer.
There are no timers set.
Well, it's going off on the other phone. It's like way too dark. So I'm definitely going to be getting rid of that. Give me 2 seconds to turn that alarm off. Holy cow. Technically, I'm working as a supervisor right now, so until chats come in, I'll stay over here. So I'm definitely getting rid of this. And it came in this nice little like cardboard thing with its own little like... So I thought that was kind of interesting. And this was the replacement order. I got it. This one was also from July. So I'm definitely, you know, like I said, I already had the 2 palettes. I have 2 of these to sell, plus the one I already own. I have 2 of these. Those are already listed. So now I have the highlighter to sell, the 3 Luxe lip oils, because this is not the same formula as the Aurora collection lip oil. I have a So Glossy to sell, and 2 liquid lipsticks that I'm going to be selling. And I will sell them for whatever they cost on the Colourpop website. You know, I think the lip oils are like $7 or $8. So then we have the Haunted Mansion palette collection. This one I got in September. I remember the original movie for this, and I've used all of the products out of here. So, or most of them. There's a couple I'm going to sell. So I have the palette, which says, "Welcome, foolish mortals," which is a really pretty, like, grungy palette. I'm really glad I got this. This is a liquid lipstick. Wait, that's the matte one. Hang on. This is the matte liquid lipstick in Hitch a Ride. It's this, like, really pretty, like, burgundy shade. I really enjoy that. Then I have a lip gloss. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip in Graveyard Shift. It kind of acts like a lip stain, in my opinion. When I put this on, it kind of like changes my lips. Let me see if I can Do you have a mirror? Yes. Because the Colourpop palette doesn't. So, we'll see if it changes colors, but usually does change a little bit of color on my lips. They kind of like itch a little bit too. So I know it's doing something. But then I had these other two. This is the Ultra Matte Lip and Beware and Summoned Spirits. And I don't think I want to keep either of these. So these were the two in here I think I was going to get rid of. And I wanted to review all of my Super Shock shadows. Oh yeah, I won't wear either of these. So it's like brown lipstick and concealer lips. I won't wear either. So Beware is the concealer lips, and Summoned Spirits is the warm tone brown. Any brown lip color that is orange or yellow base, I can't wear because I'm a yellow undertone. So I'm selling both of those. Then in here, I bought that little kabuki brush that I was mentioning a minute ago. This is what I bought. It's from Fourth Ray Beauty. It's got like little like designs on it for, you know, this. So that's why I got that. Put that up there as well. Then I have a couple of different things. This is the Madame Leota. This is the glitter gel, and I think it's beautiful, but I don't like glitter body products or anything like that. It's completely sealed, but it is beautiful, but I don't need it. I love stuff that glows in the dark, but I don't need it. So I'm going to try and sell this because I don't need it. This was on my wish list. This is a Super Shock in YOLO, which means you only live once. And I have some of these, I have similar shades too, so I want to like double check which ones I have before I go selling any of the extra ones. So this one I think I'm going to keep, but I have to check. I have an entire drawer of Super Shocks. And then we have all the other little colors. I'm just going to take them all out of the boxes. So we have Eyeing You, Stare Down, Frightful, and Creepin'. So this one here is Creepin'. It's like a metallic blue shade. This one here is Stare Down. It's like a purple with like fuchsia or hot pink colored glitter, which looks very similar to YOLO, but one's a warm undertone, one's a cool. This one here is untouched. This one here is Eyeing You. I think this one's similar to one of my other ones, so I didn't want to touch it. But I know that I've used the one shade up there. This one here, I don't think I've touched yet either. This one's Frightful. It's a warm undertone like teal, and I have two other shades similar to this, so I wanted to make sure I didn't have... These are different than the other ones. I wanted to make sure I didn't have duplicates before, you know, I went to go using stuff. So that is everything. Any of the Super Shock shades that are duplicates, I will make sure that I get those listed on Poshmark and my website. And now that I have Mercari back, I'll be listing stuff on there as well. So keep an eye out for those. I'll leave links to all three places down below. If you use my website to buy anything, then it saves me on like the fees and stuff. Poshmark charges $3 plus 20%. Mercari also charges 20% as well on their website. So I do have heavy fees that I end up incurring when, you know, when people buy on those websites. So if you shop on my website, you get to choose your own shipping options and stuff like that. And, you know, more money goes actually directly to me instead of all the fees. Now, granted, I still have Shopify fees that I have to pay. It's like 2.9% for credit cards and stuff like that I have to pay. But I do have a wide range of payment methods on my website that you can use where I don't actually get access to it. It goes right through the Shopify's payment processor, so I don't touch payment methods. And that sounds like I got a chat fixing to come in. So I need to go. You guys have a fabulous day or night wherever you are. If you enjoy these like unboxings, then let me know. I have several more to do. I'm going to get set up for the next one. The next one's going to be a trend mood unboxing, and then I will get that filmed later. So hopefully you guys are liking these, and I'll see you later. Bye.